welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a Galaxy S22, brand new in the box. So for everybody that's not aware of this phone has a 6.1 inch screen, has a 3700 milliamp battery, and has a 50 megapixel back battery and 10 megapixel front camera. Has Gorilla Glass Victus, which is supposed to be stronger, therefore if you drop it's not supposed to break, but you never know with these things. Has no headphone jack. Unfortunately, all the phones going forward do not have headphone jacks anymore. It also does not have expandable storage, so if you're going to get it, if you can afford it, try and get the phone with a bigger memory. That comes in 128 gigs and I think it's 256, I'm not too sure, but those are the two variants you can pick. You can shoot 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at 60 frames per second. Doesn't come with a charger, but if you do, you might want to get the one that charges at 25 watts. That's the highest it can go. And it has the, well, new now is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU. Of course, in the 23 model, it'll be the 8 Gen 2 model, but right now we have Gen 1. So with all that information out there, let's open this up and see what it looks like. My trusty knife. Alright, try and open this bad boy up. Go this side. Alright, try and open this carefully. And that's what it looks like inside. That's what it looks like. Very nice. See, it's all screen. The bezels are extremely thin. The whole thing is all screen. You don't see anything there, and hardly any bezel at all. I'm going to try and take this out to give you a better look without dropping it. And that's what it looks like. I got mine in black. The back is finished, has a matte black on it, but I have to peel this off, give you a better look. It's not a glass back, but it's a matte black. And the rest of the phone's glass, and it has aluminum bezel around here to give it a more premium look to it. And there's a 3 camera setup in the back. And that's pretty much the whole phone. As you can tell on the bottom, it has a USB-C charger, 1 speaker, no headphone jack, and that's where your SIM card would go when you're setting it up for the first time. And that's pretty much the phone. So I'll just do a quick turn on to show you guys the animation. To which there's no power. Oh, hold on, there it is. Took a while to turn on. So wait for it to boot up there, powered by Android. Still doing its thing, and that's what you're greeted with when you start up. Now you can see while the phone's on just how nice and clear the screen looks. Very nice. It's a 1080 by 2340 pixel, and that's the resolution for the phone. It's also 120 frames, so when you're scrolling and watching your YouTube, watching your movies, it's a very fast scroll. So let's see what else is in the box before I continue. I can get it out here. Use my knife again. Go. Get your ejector pin to get the SIM card in there, and open the rest of this up. Well, they do at least give you a cable but no charger, so that's what the cable looks like. And that's it. That's pretty much about it. The rest of this stuff is just jargon. You don't have to read this crap. No one reads that anyway. So I'll dash that to the side. And this is a quick view of what the phone looks like, in case anybody's wondering if they should pick it up or not. That's what it is. It's very hefty and strong in the hand. I do recommend getting a phone case because dropping this would not be a good idea because it would cost you a lot of money. So to avoid yourself spending extra money you don't have, save your money, get a phone case, keep your cash, and enjoy your phone. I know I will. So I'm going to be taking my time to set this up. After it's all set up, I'll give you guys another look at what it looks like when everything's done. So in a quick video that I put up, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please, anybody, if you're watching this video or any of my other videos, please subscribe and like. It would be very appreciated. So again, thank everybody. Good night.